Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. With a population of 4 million people, Nairobi is Kenya's biggest city. Its concentration of urban activity also makes it East Africa's most important economic hub. In contrast, let us look 400 kilometers to the west of Nairobi. In the villages around Lake Victoria, development of infrastructure lags. The people here still use river and lake water for drinking and daily use, resulting in serious sanitation and health problems. Yamaha installed a clean water supply system at a school in this village. The clean water provided with this water purification system has enhanced awareness of sanitation and improved people's lives by preventing epidemic diseases. It has also eased the task of drawing water, a burden borne mainly by women and children, so more time can be used for education and other purposes. Yamaha decided to donate rugby gear and hold rugby clinics. Then we asked for the cooperation of Mr. Aizono from A&A, who is striving to raise the level of communities' sports industries.
この人たち、ちゃんとマネージャーとかトレーナーついたらえげつないことになるんじゃないかな。スポーツするとやっぱり汗かくし喉乾くじゃないですか。山田さんの浄水装置できれいな水が飲めると安心して飲めるっていうのがあるとスポーツで激しい運動した後にその心配をしないでいいっていうのが一つハードル下がるんで今後は楽しみな授業じゃないかなとは思いますね。
Rugby is a sport where rules are crucial. The students learn not only the rules, but also group discipline and other aspects of social interaction while enjoying the activity as a sport. With the substantial amount of gear and the coaching they receive, we expect they will learn much and develop well. We aim to provide clean water and rugby balls to children in as many countries and regions as we can. And we hope to continue helping rev their hearts and bring greater abundance into their lives, turning clean water into smiles throughout the world.